Hi, I'm Brian Burke from SellYourMac. I'm going to teach you how to pack your Mac Pro today. Let's get started. These things are really tough to pack, so we're going to send you this great custom box here. Once you get it, just slice it on open. Inside, you're going to find an envelope for your peripherals, and you're also going to find 4 inserts. Take the top 2 inserts out, and then you can slot the Mac Pro right in. The feet should pop right into those inserts. You'll push it down until it's nice and tight and secure. You'll take these big top inserts and slot them right over the top. Just gonna press it down, make sure it's nice and tight. And then you can get your peripherals and everything else. Throw it in the bag, close up shop. Alright, once our box is secure, we're going to go ahead and use this free return label. Just slap it on the box, and you'll be able to drop it off at FedEx. Just go ahead, lay it down, make sure it's secure just like that.